Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix Face ID and Passcode settings option is not showing in iPhone settings. As you can see right now, I'm in my iPhone settings, and here we can see Face ID and Passcode settings option is not showing up here. Now I'll show you how you can easily get back the option. Go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on screen time and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here scroll down, under allow changes tap on passcode changes, and all you have to need here, select allow. Now close your iPhone settings app and turn off your iPhone and turn it back on. Unlock your iPhone, then go back to your settings app again, and now scroll down, and here you will see the Face ID and Passcode option. So this is how we can fix this problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.